This 2022 Tiffin Phaeton 40IH is a Class A RV. It is located in Bowling Green, Kentucky, 42101 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Bowling Green. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Tiffin is 41 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 7, Slideout, and 100 gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, rear bath. This 2022 Tiffin Phaeton 40IH is built on a Freightliner XCR XSH chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.